Hi guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm gonna make a Cajon pedal or Drumbox pedal. Well, actually I don't really play instrument. My friend asked me to make one for him. So let's see if I can make one. Alright guys, this is it, DIY Cajon Pedal. I don't have Cajon to try this pedal, so my friend will come here to bring his Cajon so we can try it here. I hope he will come soon. Subscribe. Alright guys, so I'm in my friend's house.
Hi.
Dodi. So this is his Cajon. We need to try it first. And we found problem. This stick right here is touching the Cajon, so we need to cut it here. Okay guys, so I'm gonna make a bit of adjustment on this pedal, because if I put the pedal here, my friends spread his leg too wide, so we're gonna put it like here. So let's do it. Alright guys, so this is the new design of the Cajon pedal and it works fine now. Try it, Daddy. This is epic! Alright guys, this is it, DIY Cajon pedal. Well, as you know, I don't really play music, so I made this thing for my friend.
Hi, thank you Dharma.
So this is absolutely epic and works pretty fine, so I hope you like it. So if you have any project idea, just let me know in the comment down below and I'll see you on the next video. See ya!